Hey guys, so in today's video we're going to say about the if-else statement. To understand the if-else statement, so I give you one example. Suppose if your age is greater than or equals to 18, then you can vote, or if your age is less than 17, then you can't vote. So have you ever understood? To understand more clearly, I give you one more example. It's like let's run our code. By that you have surely will understand. I given the int age. Suppose I have given the age equals to, suppose my age is 18, then semicolon, and now I will checking the condition. If age is greater than or equals to 18, then print the message that I am adult. Else let's say you are a teenager, junior. Let's try. See, the output is adult. Suppose if I keep as the 10 years 10, then what will be the output? The output will be junior. See, checking the two condition, we will use the if else statement.